In this video, I want to show you how to download and install SWAT Plus in QGIS. It is a step-by-step complete tutorial. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for SWAT Plus and hit the enter key. This will open the link for you to open the page where you download the SWAT Plus. When you open the link, here you can see SWAT Plus is a complete revised version of SWAT model. SWAT Plus provide a more flexible spatial representation of interaction and processes within a watershed. So if you want to download previous version, click on software. This will open this page. You can see SWAT 2012. SWAT 2012 was the original model with thousands of peer review. While SWAT Plus is the future of the model, the original SWAT model is still widely used. If you need it, click here and download it. However, I'm interested in SWAT Plus, so I'll click on Get Started with SWAT Plus. So this will bring this page, and for you to install it, we need to first install QGIS, which means we have to download the QGIS. So the first thing is to download and install QGIS, and take notes, you can download the QGIS from this very link. And also when it opens, we are downloading long time release repository and the 64-bit standalone installer. So let me just open this in a new tab. So this will open the download page for QGIS. I can just go directly to the download section, click on long time version for Windows. Immediately you click on it, it will start the download. You can see the download for QGIS has started, and it is about 1.3 gig. So let me close this page. Now, after you have initiated the downloading of QGIS, scroll down on this page and download SWAT Plus. So to download SWAT Plus, here is the place to download it. And the SWAT Plus is available for Windows, and also is available for Linux, and is available for Mac OS. However, I'm interested in Windows, so I'll download for Windows from this link. Click on it, and you can see the download has started as well. The SWAT Plus and the QGIS have started downloading. So after downloading, here are the two files. The first thing is to install the QGIS, and before installing SWAT Plus. To install the QGIS, just double click the installer. It's preparing to install QGIS. You can see it's computing the space. Now click on Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement and click on Next. If you want desktop shortcuts, check these two boxes and then click on Next. Click Install. The installation is about to start and is going to take some time, so just be patient for it to install. It's a series of installation, but it's a straightforward one. So once it is done, click on the Finish button to exit the setup wizard. Click on Finished. So we are done installing now. Let's verify. Click on Start icon and you can see QGIS desktop. Click to launch it. So the QGIS is coming, and you can see we downloaded for long time release. Yes, this is the interface of the QGIS. Let's now go to the second one, which is the SWAT Plus. To start with, you need to extract the SWAT Plus. Right click and click on Extract File. Click on OK. This will extract the file into a folder. Yes, here is it. And you can see the installer. So to install it, double click, click on run anyway, click on install for me only, which is recommended. Check the accept the agreement and click on next. You can see the part of installation, click on next. You can see folder does not exist. Will you like the folder to be created? Click on yes. By default, when you are installing, about 3 files are checked, but I'm interested in global weather generator data for SWAT and also US soil data for SWAT. So I'll check the two so that it can be downloaded because I'll need it. Click on next and here click on install. It will get those information I've specified and download them for me. So make sure you are connected to the internet and it is about 221 MB. So therefore you have to be online while installing. It will take some time to download it, but be patient for it and make sure you are connected. If you are not connected or your network is not strong, it will not be able to install. So after downloading, the main installation will start proper. So when installing this file, also make sure that you are connected to the internet. If you are not connected, some of the files will not be able to be extracted, and as a result of that, the installation will not be successful. It is a series of installations, so you need to be patient while installing. Also, do not skip any step. It is a series of installation, as you can see. It takes some moments because it involves series of installation. Just patiently wait for the installation to complete. Yes, it has been installed successfully. You can see. So click on finish. After installation, let's open our QGIS. You know we already opened QGIS. Click on plugin, click on manage and install plugin. Here you cannot find SWAT because we will need to restart QGIS. So let's close this page and we need to close this QGIS and restart it. So to restart it, let's come to start and you can see that SWAT Plus has been installed and the SWAT editor has been installed. So click on QGIS to relaunch it. Yes, when QGIS open, then come to plugins again and click on manage and install plugins. Then come to this search box and search for SWAT Plus. Search for SWAT Plus and you can see SWAT Plus here. Here is it, SWAT Plus. However, it is not yet enabled, so you have to click here to check it, that is to enable it. After you have done that, click on close and you can see immediately that SWAT Plus has been added to the interface of QGIS. If I click on it, here is SWAT Plus and from here you can select a new project. You can also select an existing project. Likewise, you can see SWAT Plus parameters. So in essence, I've been able to show you how to download and install SWAT Plus successfully in QGIS. So if you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.